Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to pay on Etsy. Let's open Etsy application on our device and let's proceed to checkout page. So let's pretend that I want to order this item and I want to press proceed to checkout button. Then you have to confirm your shipping address. I press ship here button. And finally, you can see your payment options that you can select. So here you can see Apple Pay, your card, your PayPal, your bank account, or even you can redeem your gift card right here. So you need to select your payment method, and then you have to press review your order button. And for example, I have chosen Apple Pay. So now I need to double check my order details, and if everything looks fine and I'm ready to order, I want to click this button and I press button checkout with Apple Pay, and I will have to double press my power button to activate my Apple Pay and basically pay for my order. So that's basically how you can pay on Etsy. I hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.